the 31st of December, 2023. MAC Holiday, Fall Look with Anedra MAC Cosmetics. Do the twist on smoky eyes. Blend your creases and blur the edges for a soft glam holiday ready smoky matte gaze. Get the look with Radiance Face and Body Radiant Sheer Foundation Sparkles Brush with Fate Brush Essentials Kit Sparkles I Love Surprises Eyeshadow Palette X6 Bestsellers Sparkles Liquidlast 24-hour waterproof liner Sparkles M times a times CStack Mascara Sparkles Lip Pencil in Nightmoth Sparkles Powder Kiss Liquid Lip Color / Bubbles and Bows